on? Tripp Kramer here from TrippAdvice.com, and next to me I have the most amazing dancer in the world. Her name is Jessica Goldman. She's the founder of All About Dance here in Chicago. So if you live in Chicago and you want to learn how to dance like a pro, come here, All About Dance. Learn from her. She is also a former Minnesota Vikings cheerleader and a former Lovable, which is the official dance squad of the Chicago Bulls. Say hello to the gentlemen.
Hello, boys. Are you ready to dance?
They said yes. So what we're going to be teaching you today is the most common dance move. And I'd say probably 99% of guys get this wrong. And I know this because she was teaching me this move a couple months ago and I was getting it completely wrong. So we're going to teach you how to do it right. It's the twirl. And not only are we going to teach you how to do it right, but also do it in a way that is going to completely seduce her and melt her in your arms, and it works like a charm. That's why we're doing this video today. So, Jessica, maybe you can tell us what is like the biggest thing guys should know in terms of dancing?
You need to be in control. You need to know how to lead her, and she will be butter in your arms. The second you lose control and you let her do whatever she wants, she'll be on to the next guy. So if you learn the proper way, you will have her forever.
I love that. That's awesome. And yes, so it's all about leading, and that's what we're teaching you today with the twirl. So let's get into it.
Okay, so there's two types of dancing you can be doing. One's more formal, like at a wedding, and one's a little bit more social, like when you're at a club. When you're at a wedding, per se, you're in a more formal hold. So we're dancing, having a good time. The wrong way to twirl a girl would be to push her under the arm.
That's what most guys do. They go like this.
And then she's gone.
Okay.
But I'll come back to you, Tripp.
Yes.
Okay, the right way to do it is you're dancing, okay? Girls love to twirl. You're gonna take your hand, put it in front of her face, she twirls around, grab her shoulder blade, and she's in your arms.
Okay, so we're gonna show you that again. So the wrong way is doing it outside because then you lose her. The right way is going in towards her, right? So you go like this, keep her very close, and then you're right there. And the reason why that is so sexy and seductive is because most guys are doing these twirls and the girl's over here and they kind of pull them back in, but instead you're gonna be in control, you're gonna be leading, so it's gonna be like this, and boom, she's right there. And it's like you have her, you're in control. All right, so the next type of dancing is casual. This is at bars, at clubs, not in that normal, formal, what's it called? Frame position, see, she knows. So we're going to teach you how to do it right and show you what it looks like when it's done wrong in terms of the twirl.
Okay, so we're casually dancing at a club, right? You can go back and forth from being like, you're here, then you're open. Now you want to bring her into you, and she's like, all of a sudden, she's on you.
So this is a good way to bring her even closer. Now let's show the wrong way again, real quick. You're dancing like this, and then you go out.
Hands me out, and I could be looking at another guy at that point.
She's falling over. So then you bring her back in. I keep doing the frame, that's not right, like this.
You got to yep. There you go.
Yeah.
And now we're having fun.
Now we're dancing, and we're twirling. Now what if you're a rightist like this?
Yep. Bring her in.
Bring her in. So that's all about being in control, bringing her in, bringing her close to you, and making it very seductive.
Okay, so now Tripp is going to show you an example of how to do this right with two girls that have no idea what he's about to do with them. Notice how he brings them into him. This is the inside twirl, and it's money.
Okay, let's do casual. All right, so now you know how to do it. You know how to do the twirl. What I want you to do is I want you to try this out and write a comment down below and let me know how it works here. And also, here's what I want you to do. In the description down below, you're gonna see Tripp's tension technique because you're gonna be with the girl, dancing with her. You might even take her home, and you need to know how to build tension. So you're gonna see a demonstration on how that's done. It's for free. Go in the description right now and get that, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.